First question that we have is, can a woman with the permission of her father show her face to a suitor, that is one who is seeking marriage, who cannot come to the city where she lives using a webcam?
هل يجوز للمرأة أن تظهر وجهها للذي يريد أن يتزوجها من خلال الكاميرا أو شيء، أو يعني عبر الإنترنت؟
الجواب: الرجل إذا رغب في خطبة امرأة فإنه يجوز له أن ينظر إلى وجهها بدون غطاء، لأن الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: هلا نظرت إلى فتاتهم أو هلا نظرت إليها فإنه أحرى أن يؤدم بينكما، لأنها قد تشتمل على عيوب وقد يشتمل هو أيضا على عيوب، وكل واحد منهما يجوز له أن يرى الآخر لكن بوجود محرم مع المرأة، ولا يجوز له أن يخلو بها، لكن ينظر إليها ولا يتحدث معها، لكن ينظر إليها، فإن وجد فيها ما يرغبه فيها فالحمد لله، وإن لم يجد فالحمد لله. هذا هو الجواب.
The Shaykh Abdullah Ta'ala, he mentioned that as it relates to that question, then if a man wants to marry a woman, then it is permissible for that person to look at that woman's face without her wearing a veil. For indeed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, have you not looked at her? For indeed it will lead you to marry her. So perhaps a person, if he looks at the face of the sister that he wants to marry, then it may be the case that he sees that which pleases him and that which he likes, which will encourage him to marry that sister. Or likewise, it may be that he may see from her face that which displeases him, that which he doesn't really find attractive, and therefore he will abstain from marrying that sister. However, regardless of the case, that it's a necessity that when that person looks at the sister, that the sister has a mahram present, that she has a mahram that is present with her, and that he's not secluded with her, neither does he talk with her. However, it just suffices by looking at that sister. And if he sees that which he finds attractive, then inshallah this will be something that will encourage him to marry her. And likewise, if he sees something which is other than that, then he can abstain if he wishes to. يعني الكاميرا يعني سواء الكاميرا ولا عبر الانترنت
لا ينظر إليها مباشرة.
ما يجوز حق الكاميرا.
لا مسألة الكاميرا إذا كان تصوير أنا بجوز التصوير من الأصل.
No. The Shaykh Abdullah Ta'ala, he said, as it relates to looking at the picture of a woman, whether it be by way of a camera, then the Shaykh said that he is on the opinion that this isn't permissible, and likewise on the opinion that it's not permissible anyway to have things by way of photographs or by way of taking pictures anyway.